Hey, welcome everyone. It's Rick. Here's the product I was telling you about that I came up with. You paint your image on here. This is two small gallery style canvases. Paint your image and then you can set it down on your desk or give it away as a gift. Or if you're an artist, this is a good product to have out there to sell besides paintings that hang on the wall. So this is how I did it. You get two of them, go to the hardware store, get a hinge. You just put the hinge on there, and then you mark the four holes with a marker. Grab a drill it out first, and then screw the screws in, and voila, you got this nice uh, art piece that someone can put on their desk.